Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a wild and controversial idea known as the Stoned Ape Theory, a hypothesis that suggests psychedelic mushrooms may have played a key role in the evolution of early humans. Yep, you heard that right. Mushrooms might have made us smarter. Let's break it down. The Stoned Ape Theory was proposed by ethnobotanist and author Terence McKenna in the 1990s. McKenna was known for his unique perspectives on human consciousness, and one of his most fascinating ideas was that the consumption of psilocybin mushrooms, those little fungi that make you trip, helped shape the cognitive evolution of our ancestors. Let's rewind the clock to around 2 million years ago, when our ancestors, known as Homo habilis, were living in Africa. They were simple tool users, scavengers, and lived in a world with limited means of communication. So, what changed? What led to the explosion of cognitive abilities, complex language, and culture that we see in Homo sapiens? Well, McKenna theorized that early humans might have accidentally stumbled upon psychoactive mushrooms while foraging for food, and once consumed, these mushrooms may have sparked a series of cognitive shifts, changing the way our ancestors thought, communicated, and interacted with the world. Psilocybin, the active compound in these mushrooms, is known for its hallucinogenic properties. McKenna argued that the intense experiences induced by psilocybin could have caused increased visual acuity, meaning our ancestors saw things more clearly, which would have been useful for spotting predators or prey. Beyond just sharp eyesight, McKenna proposed that psychedelics helped trigger new forms of communication and abstract thinking. Imagine the experience of suddenly perceiving the world in a totally different way. It might have given early humans the ability to think outside the box, process abstract concepts, and develop language, critical tools for survival in a complex environment. Psilocybin has been shown to increase neural connectivity in the brain, leading to the formation of new associations and ideas. McKenna speculated that this increase in brain activity could have spurred innovation, allowing our ancestors to create new tools, rituals, and social structures. Now, before you grab your mushrooms and head to the forest, it's important to note that the Stoned Ape Theory is just that, a theory. While McKenna's ideas are fascinating, there's no concrete evidence to back them up. Still, the idea of psychedelics influencing human consciousness has been explored in many ways by researchers and philosophers. In fact, modern research on psychedelics, like psilocybin, is showing potential for treating mental health disorders like depression and PTSD. This has reignited interest in their role in human cognition and consciousness, though there's still much to learn about the connection between psychedelics and brain evolution. So, what do you think? Could psilocybin mushrooms have played a part in our evolution? Or is it just a fun, mind-bending idea with no basis in reality? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most interesting theories about human evolution, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more thought-provoking content. And as always, stay curious, stay critical, and keep exploring.